In today's video, I'm using some of my pre-mixed pour paints from Hippie Crafter, and I'm going to do a Malachite inspired tree ring pour for a geode style. If you want to see something similar, you can check out video 562 where I did some geode inspired pours in purple. I had some people comment that they thought doing something similar in greens would look really nice. So I wanted to try something. These are a little bit more of I would say an emerald green. They're not in the lime green, so they're a darker green color. I have a really dark green, a lighter metallic green, gold, black, and white. I'm just going to use the white for some of my base coat and then use each of my other colors in the pour. And I'm going to do a couple of tree ring pours and then tilt it out while also trying to leave a little bit of negative space. For my black and my white paint, I have them mixed with Sargent Art Gloss Medium and water, and I tried to keep them on the thicker side a little bit so that they would be similar to the paints that I'm pouring straight from the bottles. I just took each of my colors and alternated pouring them into my cup for my tree ring, and then I took some of the black and the really dark green and just started a puddle of paint that I'll be pouring the tree ring into. I kind of wanted some of that black and the green as the outside color for my geode stone design. Once I had my first tree ring poured, I added a little bit more black and green and did a second tree ring. So I'll have a few different tree ring designs in my piece. Once I had my paint poured, I added a little bit more white just to make sure that it would all move evenly. And then I just started tilting out my design. And I had my consistencies for that white and black down really well. They tilted really well along with the paint straight from the bottles. And overall, this dried beautifully. The colors look really nice. The metallic gold and the metallic green really pop, and it was just a really nice fun color palette to use. So I hope you guys like this painting. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and if there are other colors that you'd like to see for a tree ring / geode design. I know in a previous video someone commented on pinks and purples, so I may try something like that in my next one. But don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do put out 3 videos a week, and I will see you in the next one.